Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different. We're going to put in some of this carpet tile. This is 24 inch by 24 inch carpet tile. And we're working in a room. It's a kind of a craft room, office. And so talking with the customer, we came up with just going with the carpet tile. It's something, you know, they can roll a chair on if they need to, or if they spill paint, you know, they can pop one of these out and put a new one in. So that's the beauty of this stuff, is you can put it down with the releasable glue, so you can change these out if you need to. They're pretty handy. So before we get started, just ask that you please subscribe and hit the like button. This will just be a quick little video. The room's about 12 by 13, not going to take very long. So got all the tack strip out, got the floor swept good. There is base down. Let me show you what we got going on here. I got my marks down here. You want to do that before you glue it. I got some lines drawn. Maybe you can't see them, but I got it centered. I actually pulled it to this side of the room because I do have to catch a doorway here, and I didn't want to put a little 2-inch piece, so I slid it over, the pattern over just a little bit to catch this doorway, but still left myself enough to trim down this wall. So anyways, I'm gonna get that bucket open and start doing some gluing. Okay, I got the whole floor coated, spread out with that glue. As you can see, there is some pretty good sized cracks there. Carpet tile is pretty forgiving. I'm not gonna worry about too much. It'll go over there. Those no problem. So we will let this set up, and then once it dries clear, and doesn't stick to your finger when you touch it, it's ready to go. Maybe I grabbed too many. And you can do any pattern with this stuff. Like you could do, most of the time I'll just you know, turn the carpet so it's going, you know, it's kind of like a checkerboard, but customer wanted it all going the same direction, so that's the way we're doing it. it is done. That didn't take long, but nice little update to this craft room. So, of course, rolled it both directions with my roller, and I'll leave them some extra tiles in case I needed to change one out. We're gonna call this video a wrap, so hope this was helpful. This stuff's not too bad to put in. Pretty simple, really. So easy way to upgrade a room and make it look nice. So please, hope this was helpful, and please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.